So it took us a minute to find the trailhead to Chehalem Ridge. You have to take a few trails to get there. But we got to the first viewpoint, and we'll definitely be back to check it out some Saturday when we have more time before the sun sets. All right, so we checked out Chehalem Ridge today. What do you think?
It was pretty cool.
Yeah?
There's not as much signage, which would have been nice, but
Yeah.
otherwise pretty good trails.
Yeah. Once we got on the trail, we could see the signposts, but kind of figuring out where the trail started that we wanted to go to was a little
hard.
different than AllTrails, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. Uh-oh. So the kids got done with school early. So we thought we would come check out Chehalem Ridge.